Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Farhat and I have the website called Farhat Yummy. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make my chicken tandoori or tandoori chicken. Anyway, so before we get started, I just want to let you know that the recipe is already on my website. So please click the link down in the description box if you want to see full detailed recipe. Today you need clean chicken, ginger and garlic, salt, tandoori powder, red color powder, coriander powder. You also need natural yogurt. I am using very low fat, 400 grams. Lemon juice, gloves to avoid the food color on your hands, otherwise you have red hands. Once I've marinated it, put it in the fridge overnight or at least 2 hours. Give you a tip before I leave. If you like to have nice tender chicken, I'll say the best way is to cover it with a foil paper. Cover it while it's still hot. Take the tray and place it in the hot grill. That way it's gonna help chicken to produce more steam, and that steam is gonna make the chicken softer. But if you like crunchy chicken, then I'll say serve it straight away once it's been cooked. Watching, and I hope you're gonna go ahead and try this recipe. Like you can see, it's very easy. The recipe is gonna be down in the description box, and also chili recipe is gonna be down in the description box too. So please feel free to click links down in the description box. If you don't like to miss any video from me, then please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to catch up with me, then please feel free to follow me on other social networks. Everywhere I'm using Farhat Yummy. If you'd like to see more dishes, then please visit my website. It's www.farhatyummy.com. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.